Number 19. The amount of hot cocoa powder remaining in a can is 6 1/4 tablespoons. A single serving consists of 1 3/4 tablespoons of the powder. What is the total number of servings of the powder remaining in the can? So I'm going to take the 6 1/4 and divide that by 1 3/4. Now the Casio calculator will do this for you. Don't spend your time doing this as a fraction division problem unless you have to. You could also do it on the calculator with decimals. Let me show you how to do that. That's not the way I want to go on this one, and I'll show you why. Divided by 1 3/4. If you change this to decimal form and divide it through, it'll work. And you actually could do it this way. But you will get a decimal answer. It's more than 3.5. 3.5 would be 3.5. But I could tell you that the answer's B just by looking at that decimal answer. So you could do it that way if you wanted to. I would just use the Casio and type in the actual fraction problem and get the answer. I am going to work it longhand since this is a learning video, but on the test, use the calculator. All right, to do it longhand, you're first going to have to convert this to an improper fraction. So I have 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25 over 4. Same thing here. 1 3/4 would be 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4. We are still dividing at this point. On the next row, we're going to flip the fraction that follows. We're going to get the reciprocal and then change this to multiply. So you flip the fraction to get its reciprocal. And then you can cancel those 4's. And you end up with 25 over 7. 7 into 25 is 3 times. That would be 21. So 4 left over, 7 on the bottom, 3 4/7, or a little more than 3.5.